Welcome to Daily Tutorials. This video demonstrates the usage of the ngStyle directive. Here in our TypeScript file, we have a boolean is flipped and it's initialized to true. And we have a method flip, which is assigned the opposite to is flipped. So let's hit our HTML file, where we have a button, and we are binding the click event to the flip method. And here we are displaying the is flipped variable in a span. So let's check our browser. Let's click on flip. Now let's go back to our editor, and we are going to demonstrate the ngStyle directive in an h3 tag, h3, using the Lorem extension. We are going to add random text, and here in h3 gonna put brackets ngStyle with a capital S equals. Now here ngStyle required an object of key value pairs, so let's put our curly brackets. So our keys here represents the CSS properties, and they must be in quotes. So let's put quote, let's put color, colon, and here we are going to add our condition. So is flipped, let's put a question mark, and so is if is flipped is true, we're gonna put the color red, and else we're gonna put the color blue. Now let's check our browser. So let's flip, let's click on flip. Now let's go back to our editor. Now here let's add another property. So quotes background, we add a column, is flipped, question mark, and here let's reverse the colors. So blue if is flipped is true, and red if it's not. So let's go back to our editor. So let's click on flip. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.